Okay, this is a video on how to set up Maschine into Reason7. So you'll be able to record from Maschine directly into Reason7, and it's quite handy because I don't like using two separate bits of software. I find it annoying switching back and forth between screens. So this is a very quick tutorial how to do this. I have found that this only works with the Focusrite MixControl Software, which is part of the Focusrite sound card. Comes with it, and that's the Saffire Pro 14 that's there with Maschine. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this. It's quite handy, very handy. A lot of people have asked me about this in a previous video, which I didn't go into full depth. But in Maschine, go into the audio and MIDI settings. You'll see the device is the Saffire. In routing, you should set the Maschine out 1L and Maschine out 1R to DAW7 and DAW8. That's very important. So 7 and 8, DAW7 and DAW8. That is the most important thing you do in the Maschine software. And you OK that. Go into the Saffire MixControl Software and set up channel 7 and channel 8 to have DAW in 7 and DAW in 8. Okay, these are the important steps to do. So you have DAW7 on channel 7 and DAW8 on channel 8. Also set the Loopback to DAW7 and Loopback 2 to DAW8. And what that means is that when you play on the Maschine software, the sound out will also loop back into the sound card and go back into any other piece of software you want to use in there. So again, set the Maschine outputs, the Maschine 1R and 1L to DAW7, DAW8, and in Focusrite MixControl Software DAW7 and DAW8 on channel 7 and 8. Next, if you go into Reason, you can set up an audio track, which I've done already. Set it to stereo input and choose the Saffire input 7 and 8. And if you see down here in the in, when I press on Maschine, it comes in. So if I record, so very simple, and I play it back, and it records perfectly in. And from there then you're able to put in your own sequencer from Reason and all and do your loops and everything without having to flick back and forth and exporting WAVs and all the rest of it. So that's a very quick tutorial. If you need any more, you can email me on thereasonmaschine@gmail.com. Thanks.